This weekend is the Monster Jam All-Star Challenge, and here exclusive to Walmart is the Monster Jam Nitro Neon EARTHSHAKER versus GRAVEDIGGER. I've been holding this off because I didn't know if GRAVEDIGGER's body was going to be in the real life like it is in the toy mode here with the Nitro. Real quickly, here it is. The other one in the set here on the back is Bakugan Dragonoid and Zombie. Now, I haven't seen Max D double pack yet, so I'll probably be picking that one up. Let's go ahead and rip this open. This was from Series 1. I'm going to start off the review with GRAVEDIGGER. I'm going to do the body first of all to show you, and it really sparkles, so it's pretty much blue flames and then a blue graveyard and the blue mountain there, and GRAVEDIGGER around is in blue, and then the lettering itself looks like in purple, some kind of purple, and then we got this blue color for the motor, BKT lettering, a different kind of color for the wheels itself, and then also the purple beadlock rings, a very high color of pink underneath for the base of the truck, and a black roll cage. And here is the front, just a normal GRAVEDIGGER, but just the blue for the Nitro. And here is the top, GRAVEDIGGER, and then bad to the bone. So a lot of sparkling going on with GRAVEDIGGER. Now let's bring in EARTHSHAKER. Now, EARTHSHAKER itself has green tires, as you can see. No beadlock rings. The wheels itself are just all one color. And then we get a white base. And then the roll cage, some kind of a purple or high pink color. EARTHSHAKER itself does have yellow. The name of the truck is in orange. It does have Nitro Neon on the truck. And then also it does have the Monster Jam logo. Now it's a different form of color up above here. Kind of some kind of a orangish color. Turning it around to the front here. EARTHSHAKER, and it does have some sparkle to it also. So you can see that going on right there. To the other side, Nitro Neon. And then in the back where the dart is supposed to be, it's a high pinkish color. And then on there is blue, which is kind of different. For the back of the bed of the truck. They went with the old casting of EARTHSHAKER because we know that they updated the casting that doesn't have the dirt in the back of the truck. It's pretty cool to see them coming into the real life on the real Monster Jam trucks. So this ends the review and unboxing. Thank you for tuning in.